In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Tradingview candle color. If you've ever wanted your charts to feel more intuitive or easier on your eyes, customizing candle colors is a quick win. We'll keep it simple and make sure you understand exactly what each option does, so your chart looks and functions the way you want. Start on any Tradingview chart. To open the chart customization panel, you can either right-click anywhere on the chart area or click the small gear icon labeled Settings. Both paths take you to the same place, so choose whichever is more convenient for you. In the menu that appears after a right-click, select Settings. This opens the Chart Settings window, which is where all visual adjustments live. At the top of the Chart Settings window, click the Symbol tab. This tab controls how your price bars and candles look. Inside Symbol, you'll see options related to candles, including the candle body, borders, and wick colors. Think of the candle body as the filled part that shows where price opened and closed. The border is the outline around that body, which can add definition and contrast. The wick is the thin line above and below the body that shows the high and low of the session. Next, click the color boxes to choose your preferred colors for bullish or up candles and bearish or down candles. Tradingview will typically label these as up and down. Pick the body colors first, because they're the most visually dominant. Then match or contrast the borders to make the candles easy to read against your background theme. Finally, set the wick colors. Some traders like neutral wicks for a minimal look, while others mirror the body colors for consistency. As you make selections, watch the chart behind the window. Tradingview updates in real time, so you'll immediately see how your choices affect readability. You're not limited to the traditional green for up and red for down. You can choose any color you like, which is especially helpful if you're using a dark or light theme, prefer softer tones to reduce eye strain, or want a palette that's colorblind friendly. Aim for enough contrast between up and down candles so momentum is obvious at a glance. Once you're happy with the look, simply close the settings window. Your choices are applied as you go. If you ever change your mind, just revisit the same symbol tab and adjust the body, border, or wick colors again. That's all it takes to make your Tradingview candles match your style and improve clarity while you analyze the market.